pretty like a rose in a garden. That I make man head hurt. Bumper boom like ball. Them know me a expert. Every man a look a player be a diamond.
Alright guys, so this video is just about you watching me apply my frontal lace wig. I haven't done this in a while. I'm going out and I want to see how quickly I can get it done. Remember, me are not the best, but my outside, I'm a there, I deal with it. Alright, so here I am now showing off my braids. Yes, my hair is growing. If y'all know, I'm coming from bald. I cut my hair bald and I dyed it blonde. It's finally growing up. I'm using my wig cap. That one I kind of light still, but I decided to make work with it because yeah, there's tricks and trades to the game. Second on my head top, and now I'm going to be using my Got to Be freezing blasting freeze spray for just kind of hold down the cap. I want to ensure that it's just not going to move after I cut off the thick part of the stocking cap. Yeah, we don't really have to do the balling method no more because there are several different ways that you can apply this wig, but I'm choosing to do it today. Going to be now using a needle and thread just to kind of hold down the back some more. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's at the back now go slip and slide and go on with it still, so kind of just hold it down for more security. I also like to sew the center of the wig cap onto my braids as well. Yeah, as I say, can't bother with the slip and slide. So here I am now showing you guys the wig. Yes, this wig is from 2020 collections. Lace kind of thick, you know, but it's really nice. I'm showing you guys that it also comes with combs, two in the front, one in the back. Yeah, it also comes with a little adjustable strap, so if you don't want glue down the wig, you know, you can use the combs and the adjustable strap just for allow the wig for snug on your head. You have that option. So I'm gonna slide on the wig now after I adjust it because I want to see if it's tight enough, because me want it as tight as possible. I want it to be as tight as possible on my head, as snug as possible, even though I'm still going to apply the glue. So as I mentioned earlier, the lace is kind of too light for me, so I just use the foundation that I normally use on my skin to just kind of blend out the lace right there. And at this point, I'm now going to cut off the thick part of the lace. I'm not cut it too far back because, as I said, I don't necessarily have to do this step. I'm just doing it because yeah, it just kind of make the wig look nicer when you put it by your head, more flat and all of that. So I cut off the thick band part off of the wig cap. Yeah, may I push it back for see if it's a move. That wig cap was not moving. I'm going to be using some alcohol and a piece of cotton out for just clean the surface of my face where I'm going to apply the lace. Add some foundation to the lace as well just to blend it out, and voila, whoop, drop the wig on my head top again. Right now, may I circle the wig, may I comb through it. Yes, it's so soft, guys. This hair is so soft. I love the quality. I love how it feels. I'm using my whole clips now to just hold it back because I'm going to now try to cut the lace. All right, so Gelia position the wig. She a comb it through. She want to make sure it's circle so she can properly just cut it. The method that I'm using, I'm trying to split the wig cap because I feel like it just allows it, it makes it easier for me to apply the glue or the freeze spray. So I prefer to cut it either in 2 or 3, but this time I just cut it in a 2. I did sorry, so I never cut it in a 3 after. So here I am now just applying the Got to Be glue. I like to use this method even though you can use the bonding glue, but this method works for me when I add the lace glue with the blasting freeze spray over it after. It just works out better for me. I'm not tell a lie, when you use a method there all a week, your wig can stay by your head. So what I do is I apply the Got to Be glue and then I do it about 3 times. I allow it to get tacky, then I apply it about 3 different times. When it's tacky on the second or the third time, I just add a little bit of Got to Be, and when that tacky, I just lay down the wig. See it now, and then I just hold it down. Use your blow dryer for make it dry. Preferably you put the blow dryer and cool. I miss out some of them steps there because I didn't want the video to be too long. So this is now me just holding down the wig. See it there, cut off the lace off camera because I was trying to do it on camera, and made it just feel like a handicap. So after I cut off the lace, this is what it looks like. The wig now move, it dip on my head, it fully stick down. Yeah, that's a go on. So this is me just running through it. I'm trying to show you guys the quality of the wig. It's nice, silky, soft. Yes, it's flowing. So I just use my got to be to kind of just put it on some little parts at the edge to make sure say it just lie down more. And then now I'm using my tie head for maybe like after 3 to 5 minutes. I leave it on my head just to kind of just hold down the lace front some more. Yeah, you want when people see it, them not really know say it a go on at the front, the lace business. Take it off now, when I can't say it still sit down there. Just I use the comb and run through it because the hair is feeling so nice. So of course I'm just a play night. This is me now trying to decide if I want to wear a center part or if I'm going to wear a side part. Never feel like I did want the center part. Still, I don't feel like I was ready for that. I was feeling it more to the side, so I went ahead and did the side part. So right here I'm trying to straighten the hair, but I was also having a little bit of difficulty straightening the hair on camera. I don't know, certain things me for do on camera just make me feel like a handicap. So I did a try. After a while it wasn't working out, so I ended up straightening some of the hair off camera. Yes, and then I applied some wax at the top for all along the frizz and all of them something there for just make the hair look more slick back. And then I used my curling one to kind of just bring some heat to it and make it stay, because my hot comb is currently not working. So right, so now I'm just straighten the hair some more. I kind of just want it sleek, bone straight, flat, and all these things. See, they may comb through the wig, it now move, can barely see the lace. Alright, I'm just here trying to create a style for the wig now. I wanna like it so far. And then of course, you know, we can't do the wig without a little baby hair. So this is me just taking out some at the side. I'm not gonna tell a lie, after I cut this part, I forgot to use my small curling iron and kind of curl it so it could get a better flip. So I struggled with the baby hairs a little bit. Me just trying to make some baby hairs. Yeah, as I'm telling you, this is not my best attribute, but my day I try same way and it a work out for me. Oh, best it can work out for me. I just know say girl now go flap a road. Alright, so I'm doing the next side here. Alright, still I make the baby hair. Straighten the hair again. Yeah, we want to make sure say it neat and nice. Alright guys, so this is the look. Quick and fast and easy. Yeah man, hair straight, nice, look good. It's a flash. Girl, I flash the hair like Beyonce. No man, feeling herself. But anyway, when girl go out, girl did add a little style to it, saying we would do the little Marilyn Monroe flip back, and that was me outside on the town. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe. Stay subscribed because I have new videos coming for you guys. And make sure you like this video as well. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think. Leave 1, 2, 3 comment.
Bye guys. Remember to subscribe and see you in my next video.